Say meya Buti puso na ibisa Sa ingin may lupa
A lot. So we have the kale salad. We usually use kale for the creamed greens that goes with the short rib, and then we use kale again for the salmon, just sauteed. I used to think that greens just needed to be rinsed really quick before cooking with it, but I learned that a lot of greens like this need to be soaked for at least 10 minutes or so, so that it breaks down the dirt that's on it. Yeah, just for cleaning. Sometimes it actually rehydrates the greens depending on what kind it is. So they might seem wilted when you first buy them, but soaking it for like 10 minutes or so and then spinning it actually fluffs them back up. Lining the containers with paper towel and making sure it keeps the greens dry just kind of helps with like the longevity of your prep. There you go, ready for service.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel good.